Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sairam's World. Today we will discuss about International Space Station. About ISS. The International Space Station is a modular space station habitable artificial satellite in a lower Earth orbit. It is a multinational collaborative project involving five participating space agencies: NASA, United States, Roscosmos, Russia, JAXA, Japan, ESA, Europe, and CSA, Canada. The ownership and the use of the space station is established by the intergovernment territories and the agreement. The space station serves as microgravity and space environment research laboratory, in which scientific research is conducted in astrobiology, astronomy, meteorology, physics, and other fields. The IS is suited for testing the spacecraft systems and equipment required for the future long duration missions to the Mars. The ISS program. The ISS program evolved from the Space Station Freedom, an American proposal which was convenienced in 1984 to construct a permanently named Earth orbiting station, and the contemporary Soviet Russian Mir 2 proposal with similar aims. The ISS is the ninth space station to be inhabited by crews, following the Soviet and the later Russian Salyut, Alzam, and Mir stations and USS Skylab. It is the largest artificial object in the space and the largest satellite in the low Earth orbit, regular visible to naked eyes from the Earth's surface. It maintains an orbit with the average altitude as 400 kilometers to 50 miles by the means of reboost. Using the engines of the Zvezda service module or visiting spacecraft. The ISS circles the Earth roughly 93 minutes, completing 15.5 orbits per day. ISS consists a pressurized habitation module, structural trusses, photovoltaic solar arrays, thermal radiation, docking ports, experiment base, and robotic arms. Major ISS modules have been launched by Russian Proton and Soyuz rockets and US space shuttles. The station is serviced by the variety of visiting spacecraft. The Russian Soyuz and progress of the SpaceX Dragon, Japanese high transfer vehicle, and formerly the European Automated Transmitter Transfer Vehicle (ATV), and SpaceX Dragon. SpaceX Dragon allows to return the pressurized cargo to the Earth, which is used, for example, to repeat scientific experiments for further analysis. As of November 2020, 242 astronauts, cosmonauts, and space tourists from 19 different nations have visited the space station, many of them multiple times. Includes the 152 Americans, 49 Russians, 9 Japanese, and 8 Canadians, and 5 Italians. ISS. Pictures are here. Parts of ISS. Bye friends. Meet you in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.